What's going on, everybody? Coming to you with a very messy bike in Spirit Lake, Iowa. I'm here for Riding Fish's Indian Factory Tour. Looks like it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be super hot, like 90s today. As you can see, a lot of Indians in the hotel. There's supposed to be more showing up at the factory. Looking forward to it. So let's get this day going. Event's starting to kick off now. You can see a pretty good sized group. Bunch of bikes back there. All these over here. The factory lobby was nice. Had a lot of custom bikes in there, and some of the elites, and an array of some of the newer models that they have out right now. They have specific shirts only available at the factory, which is pretty cool, along with poker chips and all the other stuff. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to record anything of the tour, so you're gonna have to go there and see it for yourself. Once the tour was done, we came out and Fish was talking to everybody in the group.
Again, thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys coming. It's freaking amazing to see this kind of turnout. I don't know if everybody's here for us, but I feel like it is, you know. So I'm just gonna take credits. I hope you guys like the tour. If you haven't got a chance, still go in, go do it. Enjoy some food. I think that's about all we're gonna have. We do have more treats, so if you start running out, let me know. We'll fill them up. All right, thanks guys. I appreciate it.
After mingling with a few of the other riders and showing off our bikes to each other, we hopped on and went for a ride around the area. A couple of people came up with a couple of routes to check out, so we did those and then kind of wandered around ourselves and found new places to check out. We found this little beach with some shade, so we pulled over to cool off a little since it was 94 degrees. After this, we found some lunch, and then we came across this amazing car museum. The Okoboji, I'm pretty sure I butchered that, auto museum and / car dealer. It was one of the coolest car museums that I've ever been to. The artwork in the inside is just amazing. As soon as you walk in to the museum part, it looks like Main Street. It's beautiful. The cars are cool. I think one of the coolest parts of the whole thing is they have an indoor drive-in theater, which was just really cool to see on the inside. It was definitely worth the $15, and if you're in the area, I highly suggest check it out if you're a big car fan. After the car museum, we headed back to the hotel to cool off, wash up a little bit, and change into some more comfortable clothes so we could watch the entertainment for the night. The band Leaving Hope put on a live performance. If you've watched Fish's channel before, I'm sure you've heard the song. It was great, energetic, and we had a lot of fun. And on top of that, Fish lended a helping hand closing the set out in the way only Fish can. Good morning, everybody. We're day 2 of being called the Fish Tour, the Riding Fish event. We're See people gearing up. We're getting ready to go for a ride to Mason City, Indian. It's gonna close out the day. We're gonna have some barbecue over there and stuff. So I need to check the bike, make sure that I got enough gas to get there, and yeah, get this show on the road. All right, we made it to Stone City, Indian. Mason City, Indian. Sorry, Mason City, Indian. It's hot out there today. But the group's getting settled in. We're gonna have barbecue. They're gonna be grilling something. I'm not sure exactly what. But yeah, it was a good ride. Everybody made it safe. Good times. Sit over here and see what's up. Ever the salesman.
It comes with new tires. You don't have to buy tires on this. You don't have to buy tires.
All right, here I am with the man, Riding Fish. This is the guy who put the event on. I gotta tell you, man, I had a good time. From the second I got there, I mean, I'm not kidding you. I didn't even have to turn my bike off. I pulled in a hotel, turn my bike off. People were greeting me, say, hey man, we're over here. Come visit us when you get settled in. Everybody was super friendly. We had a good time. Thank you for putting on the event. It gave me a reason to come out here. We met a lot of good people. Did some good riding, and then today it was a good time, man. So I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. So here's the thing. I always say the community is great, and the people that are in the circle that happens to go to these events that I throw, they make the event.
Yeah.
And I even said it to everybody. But wouldn't it be fun without people like you and all these other people who wouldn't want to do it?
Yeah.
But so it makes me happy they said that. But how did you like the actual factory tour? Was it interesting?
I thought the tour was cool. I'm used to seeing like all these TV shows and all these people crowding and everything. It's cool just to see, it's just every Joe just putting these bikes together.
Yeah.
The music in there was pretty cool. That kind of surprised me, threw me off.
Like a fun environment.
Yeah.
And then the guy's like, I'm just doing another Fender, you know.
Yeah, no, it was a good time. The people there, they knew a lot. I thought the actual gift shop had a lot of cool stuff in there that I hadn't seen anywhere else. So yeah, it was cool to see how the bikes are built and the people behind it.
Yeah, so that's something a lot of people don't know is that the factory actually has like their own dealer tees, like factory tour t-shirts and apparel. So you could have to go to Spirit Lake, Iowa to get it.
Yeah.
So that is a pretty cool thing. And the environment is fun. They were super welcoming.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody's super welcoming. Like you in the TNA Customs, they fed us. Dude, there was we actually had a little bit of leftover food, but everybody was cool.
Oh yeah, the pizza was good too. And it was like, it was like, you know, a lot of these things you go to, just find like some Little Caesar or something like that. And the pizza was really good. I was like, I went back for a few slices.
Absolutely. And then you came all the way from Chicago.
Yeah.
Technically, close enough,
Yeah,
right?
I live in actual Chicago.
Oh, really?
You know, it's not a bird.
Oh.
Outside of Chicago.
Oh,
yeah.
you're a real tough guy.
Yeah, 502.
But yeah, so you came a long way, and I appreciate your support. Things like this is just it's more fun. Then we closed the night with a great band, Leaving Hope.
Oh yeah, they were awesome.
Fun environment.
Oh yeah.
And that's what it's all about. Community, camaraderie.
Yeah.
Like that's what I always try to preach. And I just like that you are saying I'm not lying to people when I say this is what we're about. This is what I want to bring. So you coming out meant a lot to me. I really appreciate it.
Support.
And you got great taste in motorcycles.
I know, right?
Okay. I have to say, you got some freaking great taste in a motorcycle. So color schemes. Yeah.
Oh yeah. No.
Oh, and audio.
Yep.
Yeah. You got heat. You got the good taste. You got the good
You know,
taste.
it's like, you know, working off each other here.
Hey, you know, I always say motorcycling is like bad food.
Oh, yeah.
Whenever you taste something bad, you're like, oh, dude, you gotta try this. This is horrible. That's motorcycling right there.
Yeah, it is.
So, anyway, yeah. What else, man?
Not much. What do you got coming up? Let
Okay.
people know so that way we can hopefully get some more people in
All
support.
right. Okay, so right now we got some things tentative, but I'll say that obviously Sturgis. I'll be out Sturgis the first weekend, and then I'm probably gonna make the North Ohio King of the Badgers races.
I think I'm gonna try to make it out to that one too.
Yeah, so that one's a great event. Indian Motorcycle puts on the Rome to the Races event, so I'm gonna be a part of that. And I think that's mid-August. And then in September I'll be at Pikes Peak. In early September, and then at the end of September I'll be in Hollister, California, for the Hope Rally. And then in between, from now and all of them, I'm probably gonna do something.
Are you ever home? Does your wife kick you out?
I'm not home a lot.
Throw a pillow to you and say you don't come in?
I'm either working or I'm freaking motorcycle fun stuff. So
Yeah. No, that's cool.
okay. So between now and then, just, you know what, like you always do, everybody follow all my social medias,
Yeah.
like and subscribe, hit the
fun
bell. Yeah, and you'll see I'm gonna be
Everybody's having a good time still.
Yeah, dude, it's still going on. It's hot. We're still running. Anyway, so I'll do a good job trying to put it out there, and then you guys do me a favor and share it, because maybe Chris doesn't see it, but Matt shares it, and Chris gets to see it that way. So
Yeah.
some people don't hit the bell. That's all I'm saying, right?
Yep. No, I get it. I'm in the same boat.
Anyway, man, it was a pleasure.
Yeah.
We got to hang out before, but this time we got to really hang out. It was
Yeah.
a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, there was a lot of laughs, a lot of good times.
That's what it's about.
Yeah, it was. Like I said, man, from the second I pulled into my parking spot, I didn't even turn the bike off. Everybody's greeting me, so I was like, that's how it was the whole weekend, and it made it. It was a lot of love. So
Good. I'm glad.
Yeah.
Motorcycle things with my motorcycle friends.
Yep.
That's it.
Yep. That's all I have for right now. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and make sure you look up Riding Fish and subscribe to him too.
Thank you guys.
Yep. All right, man.
All
Take
right,
care.
See you, man.
Yep.
Ride safe. You still got a long ways to go.
Yeah. All right, guys. See you in the next video.